What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben and welcome to the channel where we talk about everything Amazon FBA. Today's video, we're talking about a super important concept, and that is generosity. So what is generosity? What does that have to do with Amazon selling anyway? Stay tuned to the end. I have some awesome things that I want to share for you and some tips how I took my business right from the get-go, right from a fresh start, and built it up to a multiple six-figure business, and done so completely sustainably, profitably, and dependably, so that I now have a revenue stream and an income stream that I can depend on for months and years to come. Without further ado, let's hop right into today's video. Alright guys, welcome back. So as I mentioned, today's video is all about generosity. Before we hop into it, please do me a favor and smash that like button if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video and how generosity has positively impacted you. Make sure you're subscribed if not already. Please smash that notification bell and you'll get alerted every single time that I post this type of content. Alright, so hopping into it, talking about generosity. So what is it? Generosity at its core is serving others, doing things for others that has a positive impact on them. So what does that have to do with selling on Amazon? Well, I truly believe that you should not start this business if you are solely in it for the money. Now trust me, the money will come, and obviously it's extremely important. It's what you want out of the business, but it shouldn't be why you're doing the business. So why should you be generous? Why do you want to be thinking about more than just the money when you start a business like this? Well, think about it. If you are serving others, if you're having a positive impact, that is more than likely going to come around and have a positive impact on you. The way you feel, the way you act, the way that other people act when you are generous to them. It all has a huge role to play in this business. And when we're talking about the wholesale business especially, it's extremely important because wholesale, unlike any of the other business models, is not 100% transactional. You have to build relationships with the suppliers, the people that you do business with, your post and delivery people. It's important to be generous to them because they take care of you. But more than anything, let's talk about the suppliers and what generosity could actually mean when you're showing it toward them, right? So the more generous you are, the more willing you are to serve, the more willing that you are to help others and really forward them in an emotional, financial, whatever it might be position, the more that's going to come back to you in a positive way. If you're able to help out a supplier by buying a larger bulk of an item that you would otherwise feel comfortable or otherwise want to do, that helps them out, helps them maybe meet some sales targets that they have, helps them out by moving some inventory that they're not able to sell. Well, maybe next time they have an awesome product come in, a product that's going to be super profitable for you, maybe they think about you first because you showed that generosity to them. Maybe they'll come back and show it back to you. So a first look at a new product, a exclusive lot of products that is only being sold to a couple of people at a super profitable price. Maybe that comes back to you, maybe it doesn't, but at the very least, you showed that generosity. It should give you a feeling of fulfillment, and you go around and you show enough generosity, you repeat that process enough times, and positive things are absolutely bound to happen to you. And it is what drives me every single day, is to help and serve others. That is why I help students and help people start Amazon businesses. That is why I'm very generous in my business relationships, taking care of any suppliers or people that we get service from. I'm always making sure to take care of them, to forgive mistakes that happen, to be involved and really just pay attention to the things that are happening around me and give and serve where I can. And that has paid dividends to me in everything that I do. Again, whether it is a profitable product, a first look at some products that are coming, maybe it's an exclusive deal with a brand, maybe you get some discounted pricing with one of your service providers, whatever it might be. If you go in with the mindset that you want to help people, you want to serve people, and you truly do expect nothing in return, good things will always come to you, and good things will just naturally begin to happen, and that's where the money starts to flow. So in the spirit of generosity, I have put together a free guide. Check the description down below with Elite Wholesale, with the brand that I've put together to help entrepreneurs build and grow their Amazon business. As a gesture of goodwill, I've created a free guide that will take you through what the Amazon wholesale model is, how it works, what the essential components are to that, and you want to really take it to the next level. Download that free guide, and there are steps in which you can become involved in Elite Wholesale and learn how I generated over $500,000 in sale and over 6 figures in profit over the past few years. Come along with me on this journey and learn exactly how we were able to do it. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you for sticking all the way to the end. If you guys like this video, make sure that you are smashing that like button, make sure that you are subscribed, and you are hitting that notification bell so you get notified every time that I post a new video. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I won't take up any more of your time, so I hope that you have a fantastic day, and peace.